Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Fitriah Ariel, who is an English education student, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Ahmad Dahlan University, who has taken the PLP2 program that has been implemented. In this video, it aims to fulfill the final assessment requirements of the PLP2 program, which was carried out at SMK Muhammadiyah 1 Moyudan, precisely on Klangon Gedongan Street, Sumberagung, Moyudan, Sleman Regency, a special area of Yogyakarta. This program is carried out for a month starting from August 10 to September 10, with the withdrawal of students on September 12, 2022. As for the things I have to say in this video, first of all, it is about the recapitulation of device analysis activities. The main tool in learning here is the use of lesson plans. SIK at this school is the implementation of the transition from K13 to the independent curriculum or Kurikulum Merdeka. This is indeed said to be very new and needs to be studied. Here I can analyze the use of modules as a substitute for the previous curriculum. Contains the flow and learning activities, learning phases. In here, because I teach in grade 11 TKGA, so I use PACE E and use PACE F when teaching 10th grade. Here I got 10th grade TBSMP. Then it contains learning instrument as well as an assessment rubric. Second of all, what I will convey is the recapitulation of device development activities. Here I have the opportunity to teach in the 11th grade of TKGA. Uniquely, this class is an axial class which contains students who are well off and qualified in their academics. Here when I implemented the development of learning tools is to support learning media such as Bluecat, mini games, and LKPD or student assignment. The goal is that students are not monotonous in following lessons and feel a pleasant learning environment. Bluecat here is an educational browser application in the form of multiple choice scoring. Here as a sign of learning support for students, I give appreciation in the form of small prizes for students who are able to answer and follow the lesson well. Then there is the use of mini games such as a random throwing question and ice breaking. Student worksheet or LKPD as a complement to students' ability to solve problems related to the materials and use of English. I also had the opportunity to teach in the 10th grade of TBSMB, where here I put more emphasis on the aspect of group works and questions and answer, which train students who are still in the lower phase of developing learning understanding, in addition to being given an explanation of the basics of using English. There is also the insertion of more messages related to the material and everyday life in every class that I have taught. impact, description, and learning testimonials. I, as a student who served in the field as a tutor and teacher assistant, really had a distinct impressions before and after carrying out activities in the PLP2 program. We are not only observers and teachers, but also have the opportunity to be part of the family at SMK Muhammadiyah 1 Moyudan. We take part in a series of events such as the flag ceremony every Monday and the independence ceremony as for events such as participating in the celebration of the school's anniversary and many more. In terms of academics and how PLP2 participants help the learning process, the following are testimonials from several students from the classes they have taught. Ya, boleh perkenalkan namanya dan kelasnya?
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Kaya Mitra Ramadhani. Saya dari kelas 11 TKJA.
Ya, menurut kamu, Mas Raya, seberapa efektifnya sih kemarin Mbak pakai aplikasi Bluechat?
Menurut saya sangat efektif karena itu dapat melatih ketepatan dan kecepatan siswa dalam menjawab soal.
Iya, di situ ada apa aja sih Mas kemarin?
Di situ ada beberapa soal yang berkaitan dengan materi asking and giving suggestion.
Iya. Terus kan Mbak kasih LKPD,
ya.
Diskusi kelompok. Menurut Mas Raya gimana sih kemarin?
Kalau menurut saya itu sangat efektif karena menjadi sarana untuk mendekatkan lebih sama teman dan untuk sama-sama bekerja sama dalam mencari jawaban.
Menguasai materi nggak sih Mas kemarin untuk LKPD-nya? Kerja kelompok.
Kenapa?
Menguasai materi nggak ya kemarin pas ngerjain kerja kelompoknya?
Menguasai?
Bisa ya Mas ya, lancar ya?
Bisa.
Menurut Mas kemarin penjelasan materinya sudah bagus atau bagaimana Mas?
Sudah bagus, menurut saya sudah bagus karena dengan cara mengajarnya yang seru dan tidak membosankan.
Iya baik. Terus kaitannya materi asking and giving suggestion kemarin dengan kehidupan sehari-hari Mas Raya bagaimana Mas?
Karena kemarin kan kita belajar tentang asking and giving suggestion yang mana itu selalu ada dalam kehidupan sehari-hari, yaitu dengan cara memberi atau meminta saran ketika kita sedang kesusahan atau butuh saran dari teman. Jadi kita bisa meminta, atau mungkin teman yang lagi butuh bantuan ke kita bisa memberi saran kepada teman kita.
Ya. Pesan-pesannya kemarin kenapa Mas ngajarnya Mas?
Pesan-pesan saya untuk mbak-mbak yang ngajar, semangat ngajarnya untuk jangan pernah menyerah.
Ya. Jargonnya dong Mas, SMK Musamo.
SMK Musamo, yes.
Ya, terima kasih Mas Raya.
Ya, sama-sama.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Haris Alwafik dari kelas TKCA. Dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris menarik dan
kemarin Mbak menggunakan aplikasi Bluechat.
mudah dipahami kosakata bahasa Inggrisnya dan lebih efektif dalam mengajar.
Seru nggak Mas aplikasinya pakainya?
Seru.
Pernah dengar nggak aplikasi Bluechat atau pernah pakai sebelumnya?
Belum pernah.
Belum pernah ya. Tapi seru nggak sih?
Seru.
Seru ya. Dapat skor ya. Dapat apa sih kemarin Mas?
Dapat banyak wawasan dari.
Terus yang menang dapat apa Mas kemarin?
Dapat hadiah.
Dapat hadiah ya. Seru ya Mas ya. Terus Mbak kan juga kasih LKPD diskusi kelompok. Menurut Mas tuh gimana Mas selain pakai aplikasi kemarin?
Menurut saya pribadi ya lebih aktif lagi untuk melakukan belajar kelompok lebih aktif dan lebih seru.
Menguasai nggak Mas kemarin pas kerja kelompok materinya?
Ya insya Allah menguasai semua.
Berarti mudah dipahami ya Mas ya? Atau masih sulit memahami kemarin?
Ya insya Allah mudah dipahami sedikit demi sedikit.
Kemudian ada nggak sih Mas kaitannya materi kemarin kan materi apa ya Mas? Asking and giving suggestion ya?
Iya.
Ya itu ada kaitannya nggak sih Mas materi tersebut dengan kehidupan Mas Haris?
Ada.
Apa saja Mas, bisa disebutkan garis besarnya?
Lebih sopan santun kepada orang lain,
Ya.
terus memperhatikan orang lain yang sedang berbicara atau mengajar di depan.
Ya.
Ya,
Itu tentang saran ya Mas ya. Kita tidak boleh apa Mas kalau saya?
ya tidak boleh memaksa.
Kemudian Mas, masukan untuk pengajar dan saat mengajar apa Mas?
Ya, masukan saya untuk mengajar, ya mengajar lebih asik lagi agar murid-muridnya mudah memahami ilmu-ilmu yang diberikan dari mengajar.
Lalu untuk pesan untuk pengajarnya nih Mas, apa Mas? Kesan untuk mbak-mbak PPL-nya.
Lebih semangat lagi dan sabar untuk kedepannya, walaupun murid-muridnya seperti itu.
Jargonnya dong Mas, SMK Musamo.
SMK Musamo Jaya.
Yeay, terima kasih ya Mas.
Sama-sama.
As for some photo documents of activities while PLP2 participants were at school. At the end of the video, as a participant who has gone through the program and will receive a final assessment, I should thank the parties involved and have helped the event run smoothly. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.